Hi everyone and welcome back to another video where I'm going to show you how to correctly run low ticket offers to secure more high ticket coaching clients. Not only that, I'll talk about some of the most common mistakes that coaches make when they first launch low ticket offers. I believe in OBS, so I'm going to show you some behind the scenes of real life examples from some of my clients and show you how these work in real life. Now, before we get into that, we must understand that there are two main ways that you can run a low ticket offer. Number one is if you're using a low ticket funnel as your main revenue generator. So that's your bread and butter. Now, the problem with this approach is that in order for this to work, you need a massive audience size. You need a massive top of the funnel audience. And you also have to make sure that the kind of product you're selling is somewhat generic and applicable to the general public. For instance, if you have an offer that helps people grow on social media, now that's something that you can use to run a low ticket funnel and be profitable in the long run. However, in most cases, people really struggle to scale a low ticket funnel beyond a couple of months, if not a couple of weeks. Now, the second way is to use a low ticket funnel to generate more leads for your high ticket offer. Now, this is the method that we're going to cover in this video, and this is the method that I have seen more success with. Now, before I walk you through how to actually build your own low ticket funnel, I'm going to explain to you why this works so well. Now imagine for a minute that you're running traffic, cold traffic to a landing page that's selling a product worth $1,400. Now because this is cold traffic and because there's no trust with you just yet, you're gonna have a conversion rate of anywhere between 1 to 2%. And that's gonna help you get a revenue of about $1,400. Now compare that to a low ticket funnel. You're gonna run the same traffic to a landing page that's selling a low ticket funnel that is anywhere between 15 to $50. Now, because there's a lot less barrier to entry because the price is significantly low, you're going to have a much higher conversion rate. For ease of math, let's say it's at 8%, and that gets you about 8 sale for your low ticket purchase. Now, that's going to mean that you're going to make anywhere between 120 and $400. Now, the reason why low ticket funnels work so well and they work so well, especially with ads, is because you reinvest all this cash that you're making with a low ticket funnel back into the ads, or if you're running organic, then you invest that back into getting more eyeballs to your offer. Now, this creates a sort of a growth loop where the more sales you have for your low ticket offer, the bigger this loop becomes. Now, here's where the magic happens because of those 8 people that bought your low ticket offer, they are now nurtured. They know exactly who you are, what products you have, what offers you have. They have built trust with you. Now, conversion rate of those people is going to be significantly higher. So, let's say if of those 8 people that you're able to sign maybe just 25% off that. Now that means that your overall revenue has almost doubled. Now that's the magic of running a low ticket funnel because it allows you to create this growth loop where the more success you have with the low ticket funnel upfront, the more fuel you'll have then to scale it even further. Now, the leads that come out of the low ticket offer itself, they're highly qualified because these are individuals that have raised their hand, have said that they're actively looking to solve a problem because they've made a purchase. And they've also shown that they have a purchasing intent and purchasing power. Now, these are highly qualified leads for your coaching offer that you're then able to further nurture through your low ticket product. Now that we know why low ticket funnels work so well, if done right, I'm going to show you how to actually build one for yourself. Now, the best way to run a low ticket offer is with the intention that your low ticket product itself should be able to generate you enough cash that allows you to offset the cost of ads. So, whatever money you invest into actually running the ads in order to get the traffic for this low ticket offer, your front end product, your low ticket product itself should be able to generate enough cash to offset that cost. Plus, if you can add a bit on top, then that helps fuel the growth, anyways. Now, in order to explain how this actually works, I've broken this down into two sections. Number one is the front end monetization, which is the actual low ticket product itself. Now, I'm going to show you in depth, piece by piece, how do you actually build the low ticket product itself that allows you to generate enough revenue for all of this to actually work. Now, in order to bring this to life, let me use an example where you're spending about 5K on running ads and you have an offer price of $3,500. That means that your cost per click, that amount of money that you have to pay Meta in order for you to get a qualified lead to click on your ad and view your offer, that means that at best that you'll have about 2,000 people visiting your landing page and viewing your offer. Now, if you've packaged a low ticket offer right, then you should have a conversion rate of about 10%. Now that means that if you're selling a product for 799, that's going to give you about 200 sales. Now you've invested 5K into this, but at best you're going to make about $1,600. Now this is exactly why low ticket sometimes does not work for people. Now, the magic is actually focusing on increasing the average order value. Now, that's the real sauce behind running a low ticket offer. That you value stack enough that your overall average order value goes high enough that allows you to generate revenue to offset the cost of ads and reinvest into the business. Now, let's assume for a minute that of the 200 people that have purchased your low ticket offer, a small fraction of those people will also order your order bump, which is at about $50. Now, that means alone that this offer alone has generated you about $2,000. Now, if you do that multiple times, your overall revenue is going to increase. Now, putting all of this together is actually not that simple. It's really important that you get the order and the prices of these products right in order for this to actually work in real life. Now, instead of just talking about this, let me actually show you real life client funnels that are actively getting high ticket clients using this exact same approach. Now, first up, we've got this funnel. Jake Sutherland, he's selling a low ticket offer that's worth about $17, and he's done an incredible job putting it all together. Now, when you click on that product, it actually takes you to a checkout page where you've got the initial offer of that $17 product, but you also have the option of purchasing another product on top of it. That's of about $27. Now, if I were to go ahead with the checkout, then that would take me to this page where he's selling a product that's about $197. If I were to say that I don't want to proceed with it, he would actually downsell me to a call. Now, this is a complimentary call that you can take and get booked on his closer's calendar. Now, this is a great example of how he's offer stacked and increased his overall average order value. Now, another example of this is another one of my clients who is running a low ticket offer upfront where she's giving away a nervous system assessment framework for only $799. Now, if I were to go ahead with that offer, then that would pull up another page where I have the ability to proceed with the checkout of the 799 offer, but I also have the ability to add something else to my order that's about at $50. If I were to go ahead with that purchase, that would then take me to another offer where I would have the ability to make another purchase for about $197. And then if I were to go ahead with that purchase, then that would give me the ability to book a complimentary call with the client for the high ticket offer. Now, this is a great example of how our clients are using offer stacks to increase their overall average order value and get high ticket coaching clients on the back of this approach. Now that you understand the back end of a low ticket funnel, let's talk about how we can actually build one for ourselves. Now, one of the first things that you will need to build is your tripwire offer, which is your entry point offer. This is the offer that people have seen in ads, and you need to make sure that you position your offer in a way that allows you to attract only your ideal client profile, the people that you want to target for your high ticket offer. It only attracts those people. Now, you want to make sure that your product actually adds incredible amount of value because you want people to leave with a dopamine hit. Now, if your first offer gives so much value upfront, then they would only imagine what your high ticket offer is going to do for them. So it's essential that you make this offer specifically for your ideal client profile and you give a lot of value upfront. Now, here you can check out a couple of examples of how that might look in real life. Next, you're just going to offer stack with a bunch of order bumps anywhere between $27 to $97. And you can also have one time offers anywhere between $97 and $497. Now, the idea here is that you need to have enough combination of products that it allows you to generate enough revenue that you can actually offset the cost of ads. Now, there's no simple way of figuring this out. This is by trial and error, really. But if you get the concepts right and if you actually read through some of the examples that I've shared here, then I think you should be able to have a pretty good shot at doing it right the first time around. Now, one tip here is that you can always introduce a complimentary call as part of one of your order bumps or as part of one of your products. Now, that's a great way of getting your clients on a call where you can then sell your high ticket offer. Now, if you really want to crack this funnel, then it's important that you also have dialers and setters in place that can make outbound calls to everybody who's, for instance, made a purchase of the order bump or of the one time offer. Now, what that does is because these people have shown that they have the purchasing intent and have also consumed your content, they're quite likely to agree to get on a call with them that then you can use as a discovery call to close them for your high ticket offer. Now, if you don't have a fancy sales team behind you, then that's not a problem either because you can always use the traditional methods to either sell them your mid ticket offer or get them on a booked call so that you can sell them your high ticket offer. You can always reach out to them via email, or if you're running some sort of a community, or whatever method that you have to get them from qualified lead into an actual conversion for yourself. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you run a successful low ticket funnel. Now, there's going to be a lot of nuances to it when you do it first time around, but if you are able to crack it and if you are able to get the prices and the products right, then this is the funnel that can easily take you to 7 and 8 figures. So it's a matter of figuring it out and a matter of playing around with it a little bit, but it's definitely something that I have seen plenty of success with, and I've seen a lot of my clients have success with as well, especially if you're in the high ticket space. Now, if you've enjoyed watching this video, then make sure you leave some love, leave a comment or leave a like. Now, it really encourages me to keep making this video, so make sure that you leave some love down below, and hopefully see you guys in the next one.